let's continue with the garden bed. We have to mow the grass around, need some more these, and we're gonna put them together. You're gonna see what's happening next.
First it does. Tita, eu gostei disso, Bala. Aí curto, Baba.
We are gonna cut one on 80 centimeters. That's two pieces, 80 centimeters. So we can put this together. And we're gonna see how it looks like. I'm gonna make it be more sturdy. I'm gonna go and cut two pieces and I'm gonna continue to that. Found, actually cut these two boards, 80 centimeters. The long ones, as whatever you found fit for your location. I'm gonna screw these together and I'm gonna see what to do next. All screws I have for these are too short, so I'm gonna use nails. Let's take out these first. I made some stakes, wooden stakes. That's the name, stakes. I wanted to say poles. I think that's correct also, but stakes. We're gonna put them inside, all around the box, and put some nails in it so it's a bit sturdier than it is currently now.
Selective man. Yeah.
So much better. Now, we don't want this grass to grow later on to our vegetables. So for now, I'm going to scrape this a bit, and we're going to put some paper, like carton packages, inside to stop the grass going for at least a bit. And so someone called me and I did not saw the call or heard it, so recording was stopped. What I did is finished up putting the stakes around, and I took some grass off. I'm gonna find some carton paper to put on the ground before putting the dirt soil. I want to keep the grass down a bit as much as possible. It's gonna probably grow all around, all in the middle, you're gonna see, but I want to try to stop it as much as possible. So I found some old packaging, I put it under. I'm gonna have to go and buy some more dirt, that's the only bag I have left. And I'm gonna be back. I started early, I put some dirt in it to see how it looks like. I bought more, we're gonna take that out of the car and fill the rest of it. I want to show you what we did here before, and it's going pretty well. I need to put that around when I take the onion out, and that's going out soon. This is onion for just eating the above part, then we're gonna later plant the onion that grows the head part for the winter. This is spring salads. And I want to show you how this dirt works really well, because let me find one to take out. Maybe this one. The roots in this thing, like this is one of the smaller roots. Like yesterday's one I took out. Watch this. Maybe something else also. What's bigger? So we want the same. do down there. Let's continue. We are gonna plant the cucumbers. We are gonna do 40 centimeters apart, and we are gonna have some leftovers. We're gonna put in the second box when we build it. We are doing the first one first. First box done. But we need to add some poles, net and watering. We're gonna do that in the next video. For now we are gonna build just another box here and also plant some stuff there. We're gonna see what to do after that.
Well, that's it for now. Next is to do watering and poles, net and so on. We have here a few other sorts. There's a tomato, cherry, so this is tomato and this is cherry. And these are, one is water lemon, second I don't know how to say in English. I will find out and I will tell you. So, we have these two. I don't know if we have water in it, I'm gonna check out. Not sure there is any. Well, we have to fill them up. Made a mistake, there is some water in it, but I guess I opened it wrong. Oh yeah. Hop. It's going down there. Yeah. So I have some cables left over here. We're gonna connect it and put it down. Our garden is right over there. So there will not be part 3. I did this off camera. I get the water here, 2 splitters, both sides. This was just testing out. I'm gonna let the water run tonight to get this really wet. That's all for the raised garden for now. When we get the some bigger spot to use, I'm gonna make a bigger garden obviously, and this is for now. Well, if you have any questions you can leave them in the comment. I think that's all. If you like the video, like it, and see you in the next one. Bye.